No bullshit, bro. I've made multiple millions of dollars in the past couple of years from doing the complete opposite from trading, and that is building the coins itself. Now, look, I am not a course seller. I am not here to shove some shitty product or some shitty course in your face. I am here to show you how to create a meme coin from scratch and then profit from it with a live launch in this video. Keep watching if you want to become profitable or if you want to start diving. Now here's exactly why deving meme coins is a new meta in 2026 and why you need to stop trading and start creating coins instead. First of all, you have nothing to lose when creating coins. You can just launch meme coins over and over again and you can just launch, sell, make profits and repeat on every single launch. It does not matter. There is no cap to how many coins you can launch and that's exactly why it's so profitable. But trading though, you are capped at how much money you have in your portfolio. If you run out of money, you cannot trade anymore. That's why I prefer deving. Now launching a coin is extremely easy. All we do is we launch, wait for buyers, and then sell, and we do that over and over again. So that's why I'm making this video. I will show you how to dev meme coins right now. And guys, this is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research, okay? And I am not a financial advisor at all. And just be cautious about what you do in the trenches. Anyways, let's get straight into the video. Now, a lot of people have been asking me where I launch my meme coins on, with what tools. Well, I use a free launchpad called coinlaunch.io. It's the best in the game because every single meme coin that you make here will go to Raydium instead of Pump.Fun. Because Pump.Fun is over competitive, it's oversaturated, and you don't even control your coins here. So instead, I launch my coins on Raydium because these coins tend to do 100 times better than Pump.Fun. They at least get buyers, right? Look at this, it's pumping and then the dev is setting his supply. And most of these coins get buyers compared to Pump.Fun. So I like to be on the winning side rather than the losing side by using CoinLaunch.io. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on CoinLaunch.io. You can indeed make a coin from scratch if you want to, or you can use the free trade tracker. That's up to you. So for example, if you found a tweet good, well, you could turn that tweet into a meme coin. So for example, this one, you can turn it into a meme coin. It's up to you, or this one. It's really up to you, bro. But yeah, or you can copy trending coins. This is my personal money making machine for me. I've made all my money from this method. You guys will see why, bro. But basically, every single meme coin here is basically going viral on Pump.Fun. They're the best narratives right now at this present moment. So we will be copying one of these Pump.Fun coins and relaunching it to Rhythm instead, and using that narrative to our advantage to make money right now. You guys will see with a live launch, and then you will be able to do it for yourself. Now obviously, bro, the first step is to connect your phantom wallet, and let's actually copy a coin. I don't really look at the narrative. I don't care about the narrative. They're all good. That's why they're here. I'm gonna go for the feed coin, click on copy the Radium, ignore the warning. Every launchpad gets this warning. Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then the coin will be created shortly. Just wait. And boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Let's create our supply. Now for the supply of the feed coin, click on 90%. This preset is perfect, okay? For the amount of SOTA pair, put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1. So let's say, right, you're not going to lose anything. If you want to sell back at the end or or whenever you want, you can get it back. I'm gonna put zero point 0.3 so that will buy some supply for yourself. Click on create pool, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin will be actually created. Just wait a couple seconds, boom, click on refresh, and the coin is live. Now let's go see our chart to see if people are buying in, okay? So you have your P&L there. I use Photon, you can go in Axiom, Terminal, wherever you want, just go find your coin. Doesn't matter which trading platform. And as you guys can see, okay, it's dumping, but it's not a big deal, okay? We have nothing to lose, and bang, it's pumping. Yeah, people are aping in. Let's go see how much we're up. Come back to the website, click on refresh, and we're up $300 already within seconds. That is insane. This pump right here alone is like $150. Like, bro, we're actually printing, and that's why I love creating coins. By the way, bro, I am not using my community to pump up this coin. These are all organic, random people from Raydium buying in. So I'm gonna let the coin pump. When I come back, I will show you how much we made. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at a 50k market cap. Let's cash out and see how much we made. Come back to coin launchpad.io, click on refresh, and we're up $2.8 thousand in profits. Let's cash out, click on the minus button, do 100% right to remove every single penny. Click on remove liquidity, your phantom will show up, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then you should be fully out of the coin. Boom, we just cashed out, guys, in front of your face. All proof right here. As you guys can see in my phantom wallet, bang, we received a payout, $2.8 thousand for educational purposes only. Coinlaunch.io will be linked down below, by the way, bro. So yeah, bro, that's exactly how I make money from meme coins. Just stay consistent, just launch, and the website will be linked down below. Peace out.